My name's Vanquish. I'm a streamer for TeamZeta, and I'm taking part in the Snack Wars video. A little bit of information. We have some British stuff and then some American stuff. You get the idea. We have a Gatorade Frost. I'm quite excited to try that, can't lie. I feel like this should have been in the fridge first. I mean, it's good, but it's quite watered down. Right, Gatorade. I like Gatorade. I definitely feel like it should have been in the fridge first. That's on me. I like that though. Iron Brew. I've never had Iron Brew before in my life. Right? Unless I had it when I was younger. Whoa, I like breathed in them. Yeah, I've made a mistake here. I've had Iron Brew after chocolate. And we all know what happens when you have a fizzy drink after some chocolate. It doesn't go down well. Iron Brew is amazing. Iron Brew and Gatorade, yes. I was sent out one of these, right? We've all seen one of those before. I open it up and I get a gold ticket now. Off to Charlie in the Chocolate Factory. Let's have some fun. We only need a square. Can I have it? You can give it to me? Right, we have another square. Honest opinion? So we're gonna have a Hershey's chocolate bar. Cookies and chocolate. See that? I'm hoping this tastes good. Right, see that? Apologise. Right. It's very dark chocolate. So that was okay. What was the best thing so far? Probably the Dairy Milk Classic. And then we've got Jaffa Cakes. I've already opened them. I've not eaten any. Don't worry. Don't freak out on me. Who doesn't love a good Jaffa Cake? A good old Jaffa Cake. We're not doing ASMR. I went to have a drink, but you don't need to know my opinion on that. We all love Jaffa Cake, right? Pop-Tarts. Never had a Pop-Tart in my life. It's a raspberry flavour. Right. This is what it looks like in the packaging, as you barely can see, because it's going to fall out. It's very broken-ish. Right. I've barely snapped any. Look, let me just hang on. Right. We've snapped it. All right, we've snapped it. Right. It tastes like raisins. With sprinkles. People love these things. It looks awful. Like the quality of it is just horrendous. Like, I don't know if you can... Look how bad that looks. People eat that for fun. Oh my god. We've got some toxic waste. I've never had them. I know people in school I used to go to school with had them all the time. Why you'd put yourself through that? I'm not looking forward to this. I don't like sounds. Right, we're getting somewhere. Right. Oh. You've all probably seen these before. Oh, wait, there's different flavors. Oh. Blue raspberry. One. Watermelon. We don't want one. Apple. Right, we're doing raspberry. I don't know what else is there, but... Right, here we go. Oh, God. People eat these for fun. I don't eat sour shit. So. I might honestly spit it out. I'm not joking. That's disgusting. Oh, that's fucking gross. Oh my god, I felt I'm gonna throw up. That was bloody horrendous. That was disgusting. We won't be doing that again. If warheads are anything like that, we're gonna have a bad day today. Warheads, if that's not blurry, there we go. I don't live in America, so of course not. Never had them before. Apparently they're very sour. It says extreme sour on it. Black cherry. Right, we're tipping them all out. Watermelon. Why is everything watermelon? Right, we're doing black cherry. This doesn't smell amazing, I've got to be honest. Right, here we go. Thicker than the last one. Oh, no. Okay, no. Never again. Oh. Never again. That was disgusting. Never again. That is never happening again. That was worse than toxic waste. Favorite and worst. I'll give you a favorite and worst. Why not? So my favorite thing, I think, was the dairy milk, the classic creamy taste. That one. And my worst. We already know what the worst is. Warheads, mate. The worst. I hate that. That was horrendous. Disgusting. Never again. Never happening. But I hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope the rest of my partners in crime, TeamZeta, that have done this video as well, had a great time trying these things. Because I know that I kind of did. I appreciate TeamZeta sending me the stuff out. Honestly. You know, free lunch, even though I'm... Right then. So guys, we're eating it raw.